in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create a YouTube automation video using
I
AI.
found an amazing AI tool that can generate 10 short videos every 30
Today,
seconds.
I'll be showing you how to recreate 110,000
I'm going to show you that using the fastest way to create
We're going to use two AI tools
plus AI 3 months worth of YouTube training software with ChatGPT generates scripts. That's the video that I'm going to teach you in this video.
I hate AI's videos. Open any social media and start scrolling. Half of the videos you'll see are made with AI, an AI voice commenting on a funny video, AI text that's showing a random motivational quote, an AI image slideshow, a video with AI's script, AI's voiceover, AI's footage, AI's music, AI's character. They're breaking the internet. But now, after dodging around 1,000 videos, teaching 100 shorts in 30 minutes with ChatGPT and Canva, I think we got something. I will try to make 100 quiz shorts only by ChatGPT and Canva today. So let's dive into it. Firstly, let our AIs do its work. You have to teach him how to write quotes step by step, give him some examples, then command him to write a new quiz from your example. The AIs will give you 100 quiz. You can pause to read them or modify them until you find your best quiz, or simply force him to write more. After all of that steps, take your quiz, copy it into your Excel, Word, or anything you have to store them. We will milk them later. And now smash the like button, or I will send all of this quiz to your girlfriend. Now we have all the quiz, but how to turn it into a shorts. We need to call another AI's brother. And in this video, I will use Canva to animate our quiz shorts fully automatic. First, open Canva and then click Create a New Design. In the search bar, you have to find mobile video, then wait for it. You have a whiteboard fit to your mobile screen. We will have many things to do with this whiteboard. So now let's jump to our quiz that we have stored in Google Sheets. We will take them into Canva to make a short. But wait, are you kidding me? Canva is a 2D design software. We're going to make a short video. There's no chance to make a short with a 2D image design software. Fortunately, Canva have many updates day by day, and today, welcome to the show, a brand new Canva. Will this brother work? I have no idea with it, but we have to try it. Let roll out. First, you have to make a template or dive into the search bar on the left or type quotes and take one of your favorites template. Now we have a format of our shorts. Now, remember our quiz we had stored in Google Sheet? We simply choose one of them and substitute for Canva quiz. Now your quiz short video about to be done. But wait a minute. Do you feel your shorts is soulless, boring? Yes, it's lame. But don't be worried, my mates. We will fix it right now by using a voiceover. We have many ways to make voiceover. You can record them with a micro headphone, record your voice, and simply apply that into your short. But I will show you how to do it in another videos. We will use third AI brother, play HT to make our voiceover. Copy your sheet right there, then click generate. At the end, click export. Now you have a voiceover automatically. Now we're going to add voiceover into our short by Canva. First you have to find your voiceover, which you have exported by play HT. Then simply drag into your short. Now your short is able to upload. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys can also use that way to add music, sound effect, or modify anything about sound. So let's brainstorm to make your shorts become viral. Good luck.
Wait. You mean I have to do all steps to make 100 shorts? It too complicated, too much steps. We don't have time to do this all steps. Are you trying to blinding us by your title? Show me how to make 100 shorts right now.
Okay. We're going to dive into it. Be calm, my brothers. Now in the Canva search bar, find the word bulk create and select it. Now it's time for magic. Remember that I said we will milk the quiz in Google Sheets? Now copy them into Canva and click done. Then you hit the right click in your text and make sure that you have connect the right piece of them. Theme for the theme, first part to first part, and second part to second pass. And make sure that all of this are checked. If you don't want your quiz shorts look like that, at last click on generate and boom. You have hundreds of quiz video made only by ChatGPT, Canva, and Play HTs.
Hey. Do you see all of them have the same background? That's lame. Is that all what AI can do? And you call that is 270 quiz shorts. We want different shorts, not 270, but the same background, you know.
Okay, keep calm, my friends. I will show you how to do it now. You can go to the search bar and select your elements here. Choose the one you like, click the 3 dots on the top of the video, then select Replace Background. Now it's all set. All you have to do now is hit the export, then click download, and your shorts is ready to upload. I have teach you a fully guide how to make 100 shorts only using 3 AI. Hope you can maintain it for your own purpose. If you want to know how to monetize it, smash the like and subscribe button below, and I will show you in my next videos. Good luck, my mates. See ya.